Google just dropped the biggest Chrome upgrade in history. This isn't just a browser anymore, it's your AI-powered gateway. Driven by Gemini, Chrome's evolution is here. The passive web tool you once knew, gone. In its place stands an AI-driven platform, pulsing with context awareness. It learns your patterns. It anticipates your needs. This is the future of browsing, and it's happening now. Imagine your address bar, glowing with newfound intelligence. It's not just for URLs anymore. It's your AI-powered companion for complex queries. Need to understand that dense article you're reading? Chrome's got you covered. Instant summaries, deeper insights, all at your fingertips. But that's just the beginning. Agentic browsing is on the horizon. Picture this: Chrome handling multi-step tasks on its own. Booking appointments, filling forms, managing your digital workflows. Your browser becomes your personal assistant, tirelessly working in the background. Security gets a major upgrade too. Chrome's AI Shield stands guard against scams and phishing attempts. It's your digital bodyguard, always alert. And when it comes to passwords, Chrome simplifies the process, making your online life safer with minimal effort. This isn't just an update. It's Google's grand strategy unfolding before our eyes. Chrome is transforming into the primary gateway to Google's AI ecosystem. Just as it once funneled billions into Google search, it now ushers us into a new era of a high-enhanced browsing. Chrome plus Gemini marks a paradigm shift. It's more than a browser, it's your AI co-pilot for the digital age. The internet will never be the same, and neither will your browsing experience. As you navigate this new landscape, Chrome's interface comes alive. Browser windows pulse with an ethereal glow. AI neon circuits dance across your screen. The familiar Chrome logo merges seamlessly with Gemini AI, symbolizing this groundbreaking fusion. Witness the magic as you type. The address bar illuminates, responding to your queries with uncanny intelligence. Web pages transform before your eyes, condensing vast information into digestible summaries. It's like having a team of researchers at your beck and call, working at the speed of thought. Key features materialize as motion text overlays, emphasizing the revolutionary nature of this upgrade. AI mode flashes as you engage with Chrome's enhanced intelligence. Agentic browsing shimmers, hinting at the autonomous capabilities just around the corner. A security shield icon pulses reassuringly, reminding you of your fortified digital defenses. But Chrome's metamorphosis goes beyond mere visuals. It's a fundamental shift in how we interact with the web. No longer are you simply consuming information, you're engaging with it on a deeper level. Chrome becomes an extension of your curiosity, a tool that not only finds answers but helps you ask better questions. The implications are staggering. With Chrome as your gateway to Google AI, you're not just browsing, you're exploring the frontiers of artificial intelligence. Every search, every query becomes an opportunity to harness the power of Gemini. It's like having a supercomputer in your pocket, constantly learning and adapting to serve you better. Think about the time you'll save, the insights you'll gain, the productivity boost waiting to be unleashed. Chrome isn't just streamlining your online experience, it's supercharging it. Tasks that once took hours can now be accomplished in minutes. Complex research projects become manageable. The web transforms from a vast sea of information into a precision instrument tailored to your needs. But with great power comes great responsibility. As Chrome evolves into this AI powerhouse, it raises important questions about privacy, data usage, and the role of AI in our daily lives. Google assures us of robust safeguards, but users must remain vigilant, understanding the trade-offs that come with such advanced capabilities. Yet the potential benefits are too significant to ignore. Imagine a world where language barriers crumble, where complex topics become accessible to all, where the collective knowledge of humanity is at your fingertips and, more importantly, at your service. This is the promise of Chrome's Gemini integration. As we stand on the brink of this new era, one thing is clear: the way we interact with the internet is about to change forever. Chrome is no longer just a window to the web, it's a portal to the future of AI-enhanced computing. It's your personal guide through the ever-expanding digital universe. The biggest Chrome upgrade in history isn't just about features or functionality. It's about reimagining what's possible. It's about pushing the boundaries of human-computer interaction. It's about turning science fiction into reality. Welcome to the new Chrome. Welcome to your AI-powered future. The internet will never be the same, and neither will you.